Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
I'm bored. Do you have any plans this evening?
No. What shall we do?
How about seeing a film?
Good idea. What shall we see?
Let's take a look at the film section of the paper. It says that White Sands is showing at Kim Dong Cinema at 8 o'clock tonight.
It's a horror film. That's too frightening for me.
Okay. They are also showing Crazy Coconut at Nyokkan Cinema.
What kind of film is it?
It's a romantic comedy.
What is it about?
It's about a female professor and a male film star. They get shipwrecked on a deserted island and have to live together. Although the professor hates the film star at first, she falls in love with him in the end.
Who does it star?
It stars Julia Roberts and Brad Pitt.
What have critics said about it?
Most of them say it's very funny and entertaining.
I know. Why don't we decide when we get there?
Okay, good idea.
1. Listen and read. B. Find the questions in the conversation that ask about Crazy Coconut. Then listen, check and repeat the questions.
Unit 8. Page 17. Getting started. Activity 1B. Find the questions in the conversation that ask about Crazy Coconut. Then listen, check, and repeat the questions.
A.
What kind of film is it?
B.
Who does it star?
C.
What is it about?
D.
What have critics said about it?
2. Match the types of films with their definitions. Then listen, check and repeat.
1. A film that tries to make audiences laugh. D. Comedy.
2. A film that features cartoon characters. F. Animation.
3. A film that is set in the future, often featuring science. A. Science fiction. Sci-fi.
4. A film that tells an exciting story about murder or crime. C. Thriller.
5. A film which combines comedy with a love story. B. Romantic comedy.
6. A film that shows real-life events or stories. E. Documentary.
7. A film in which strange and frightening things happen. H. Horror.
8. A film that usually features lots of stunts and fighting. G. Action.
Are there any other types of films you can add to the list?